Hello, welcome back to Africa. We are going to the farm today, guys. Yes, it is time for harvesting. I told you that I will show you a lot of things here. Yes, you are not ready yet. So, we are going to the farm. If you know what is called sukuma wiki, these are the kales. See how tall they are? Kales are here. Yes, if you can see, I can show you guys. We have good kales here. Are you seeing the kales? Yes. So this is how we do it. This is how we are harvesting cassava. We want to harvest cassava today. No. Hey, we are harvesting cassava. Wow, look at that. Yes, look at the roots. Cassava. Not bad. See that? Lakini matobe. Oh. Guys, after harvesting, we have to wash them. Yes. Make sure you wash your cassava well.
This is fresh from the Shamba.
We are dealing with fresh things.
This is how we do it in Kenya.
Yes.
Migori County. You know, we are very blessed people. Those things are very huge.
A blessed county.
Wow. Oh, well, look at our flower.
So we start into pieces. This knife needs to be taken to the hospital. Like this, you see? How we remove the cover. Very easy. Very easy work in Africa. Then, is it a matter to remove this?
It's not a must, but it's good if you remove. It makes it easier to eat.
Yeah, you just want something easier to eat. No.
But why are you making food? See, so that we can eat.
This thing you are supposed to remove by yourself. This one, not me to remove it. So guys, these children of our Adding salt. Then you have to add water. Then after that, in the pot. Guys, so you see that? The pot. Then guys, they are very, very sweet. You see that? Marvelous.